Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Tasks with Todoist. Okay, first open Google Chrome and write connect Google Tasks with Todoist through Zapier and select this link, Google Task plus Todoist. And select your app, just select new product to create task on Google and press this button, connect my apps. Zapier is the way you can connect Todoist to Google Task. And then you can choose your Todoist account. I already inserted one. And click continue. And click test trigger. Click this button. After that, click continue with selected records. And now it is the time to choose your Google Task account. I already inserted one. You can insert your Google account. And click continue. Task list, you can choose any list. Let me choose my list. Title, just put any title you want. Let me just put name. We are just testing now. And you can put a due date and click continue. Test step. And now you are connected. Google Tasks are connected to Todoist. Thank you for watching.